Good day. Today we get back on the layout. Take those buildings I just got finished building and put them on there. Get the roads set and do some landscaping. So it's been a while. I've been jonesing to get back to it. So let's have at it. All right, since I got these structures done and built, it's been about a day and a half, and I've basically been playing the shell game, moving them all around, twisting them. Anyhow, I think this is it, what I'm going to go with. And then what I decided to do was to add this apron on here so it ramps up and gives me a little bit more room for parking. Then I decided to just took some thin balsa wood, and I'm going to make this, paint this, and that's going to be like the asphalt parking lot. And then this is, I'm going to make this going to be like a concrete sidewalk. And then I'll have like a little dirt road going to the back, because I have the two loading docks in the back. And the road will just come up along, and I'm just going to have it stop here. And I'm just going to make like a little out of wood, like I don't know, some kind of stop thing. End of the road. So that's the plan right now. So what I'm going to do now is tape off and paint the road and mark the buildings. I'll put the dirt down first, first thing, a ground cover, start working. See what we come up with. All right, here's day 3. Working on these structures, getting them on the layout. What I'm going to do today is I got to glue that on. I have the sidewalk that I got to glue up in here. And none of the buildings are glued in, they're just sitting here. So like now I want to put a little bit more small grasses and so forth around it here. This, I need to, I have all the detail parts from all the kits. I got them in a little box. I got to just sit down and start painting them. Well, not that I hate it, it's just not one of my favorite jobs of model railroading. But I got to get on it because I need to get some junk in boxes or crates in the back here so I can put more grasses and so forth on it. Put some grass out in here. Like I told you, I knew I'd get carried away with this grass. I just really love it. And I was going to put a little barrier here, like, so cars had to stop. And I was looking at it, I'm thinking, almost looked like this road would have came across. So I'm thinking about cutting this out a little bit right in here, putting in a little like concrete bridge abutment, old crap, broken down, and have some pieces of wood come off like there was a bridge here at one time. Have this block. Well, I want to put a railing here, but I might put like a barricade here and some railing in this area. It's a thought just to give it a little character. I don't know if I have wood going, a couple pieces of wood going all the way across, or just have some stubs on the concrete. I don't know. Got some thoughts on it. Appreciate it. So that's all I'm going to do today with this here, and go, go from there. Like I said, I'm going to have to start getting some of the detail parts, because this area in here, I'll be having some trees, and of course I got trees I took out, I got put back in here, I got up in here. So got some trees up in here, this one knocked over, I got one over there, It's got to go back up on here. So I got to start getting once I start getting these trees, I'm not going to be able to get in there too much. So I'm probably going to have to start getting on at least painting some of the detail parts so I can get at least this area done. So let me just show you the other back side. Let me get on the other side of the layout. All right, here's the back side. Put more grasses in here. I don't know, I think I may put some of my sifted sand, make this a little bit maybe like dirt, like up in here. And then maybe put some more grass, but a little bit different tone, just spot it around. I don't know. I think I want to put some vines up in this area, probably some more bushes, and then this will have some trees. Might have cut a tree or two around here. I don't know. But what we're working on. See how we go today. All right, so this is it's all the detail parts that from all the kits. I did buy a few things when I bought the kits. A few, I don't know, like some of these barrels or something like that. But most of it's all from the kits. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to paint them all now. I could never take that long to take. I would go insane if I had to do that. Plus, my eyes won't be able to last that long. But I want to paint enough, some crates. I got some, hand carts with bags, so they'll be good for the seed store and the bakery. Some barrels and so forth. Got a lot of pallets here. So I'm going to get some of this painted enough that I think that I can get those couple buildings that I'm working on right now to get enough stuff on there so I can put on there. I have a few people and, probably need more, but I don't want to spend the money on that right now. I did order some stuff today from Mud Creek, some more bags or sacks, whatever you want to call it, some other odds and ends. Actually, one of the viewers, Barry, reminded me that, they have detailed parts. I mean, I bought kits for them, but I forgot all about they also have detailed parts. So I ordered some detailed stuff off of them. So, anyhow, I'm going to be working on this for a day or so, and then I'll get back onto the layout. But just wanted to show you what I'm up against. All right, well, here's about 4 hours worth of work doing some of these detail parts. That's what I got for like sacks, flour sacks or seed sacks. I got some stuff more ordered. Just did some barrels, some crates and stuff. I mean, I got more to do, but that said, this is 4 hours. Did a lot of the pallets, pretty much all the pallets that I have. So I'm going to start putting some of these on the layout. All right, just getting near the end of the day here. That's what I got accomplished after painting some of that detail parts. Well, you can see I put a chain link fence around the plumbing supply. Got the trash can in there. Some settling tanks. I don't know if you can see in the back, but there's some crates and pallets. There's some barrels in the back in this corner here, some wood. And the woodworking. Got some more pallets, some old cans. I cut up some wood to make a little wood pile. Got trash cans there. And then over here, I started putting some of the detail parts on, laying them on there, see what I like, what I might like. And also, I also started putting some trees in. These here, these trees up here, I had taken out because I kept knocking them over. Same thing here, put that trees back in, put these back in, and these I just started adding. I'm going to put all across here. There'll be some trees. Make it so you can see in, but it's more of a country town, so it's it's going to be a lot of vegetation. So that's where we're at. It's coming along, starting to shape up a little bit. So we'll see what happens after this blizzard. I don't know if I'll have electric tomorrow or not, but we'll see what we get. Maybe we'll be able to work tomorrow or not. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if I mentioned on one of my earlier videos about it. On the road here, I was going to put a barricade, like to show it was the end of the road. The more I thought about it, I thought, well, maybe I'll make it look like it was an old bridge here. It would make a little bit more sense. I was thinking about it, but I'm definitely, well, obviously that's what I'm doing. So, cut that out. Got a little bit of foam board, and I'm going to paint that up like concrete, and then I'm going to put a couple beams coming across, really stretched out, about ready to fall over, a couple boards, just make it look like it was something that was, there was a bridge there of some sort. I thought maybe give it a little bit more character. So that's what I'm doing right now today. All right, here's my, what's left of my bridge. Nice couple-hour project. Don't look bad. I have to, I got to finish it up as far as, got to put some grasses, look like it's, overgrown. I got some piece of wood I'm just staining up now. I'll put down along the bed here a little bit like wood debris, washed down. But yeah, it's a couple hours. Oh yeah, and then I also I made two barriers. I'll put one on each side. Goes like here. So reminds me of a road down near the shore. Like a couple miles of it got discontinued because they put the parkway in and went over a river. So that's how they blocked it off with this. I always remember as a kid. So it stuck in my mind. So I'm putting it there. Childhood memories. I don't have too many memories when I'm a child, but that's what I'm going to do. So that's it for now. We'll get back on the other buildings and so forth. I'll show you a little bit what I did with that shortly. All right, so here we are. I got all those four buildings down. They're not glued. I still got to pull them up to put the lights in them, but they're just setting in there. As you can see, I got some detailed parts. There. I made a little wood pile. And got a few people in there. I got the roof vents all I ordered came in, so I got them all on. And I put them all on, and just something was missing in the middle. If you can see it right there, I took some of the Woodlet Scenics Realistic Water, took a toothpick and put it in a jar and then put some drops in there, make it look like a low spot in the roof. So there's some water. So it's got a little, glitter to it. Got the smokestack up. There's the bridge. And like I said, I put some trees here in the front. None of these trees are, well, pretty much all the trees aren't glued in. There's a few. Just because I have to move around and get in things, I can pull them up. So if I hit them, they don't really break as much. So we're coming along. I'll show you the other side. And here's what I call the back side. And oh yeah, you see I got the bridge in, got it hooked up, so hopefully I don't have to take it out no more. do like this end and the other end. I got to put some vegetation around and so forth to cover that up. But this is the back part of it. Seed, and this is the bakery here. Camera wants to focus on the trees. So pretty much, still want to need more people. I want to make some pine trees. I keep saying I want to make them. I want to put some pine trees around. You know, need vehicles and so forth, but you know, the bulk of it's down. So now I can start the other part of the town on the other side of the creek. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I was going to try to do buildings on both sides of the creek in one video, but I think it's going to be too long. So, the next video I'll start the other side, do those buildings. But I'm happy. It took a while to get the buildings in and get them made and everything, but I'm really pleased with it. It's looks something like I had pictured in my mind, so I'm really pleased with that. So, like I say, we'll move on to the other side of the creek, get those buildings in and so forth. So please, can you hit the like button, share, and as you know, please subscribe. They were doing good for a while, the subscribers, but now it's kind of been slacking off. So if you can, please, if you've been watching, subscribe. Got a lot more to do, so be a lot more building and problems and so forth. Once again, I thank all of viewers, all those people that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. Really keeps me going. Some days, you know, you're old, it's cold out, you don't feel like moving, but it keeps me going. I really appreciate it. I like all the support that I get from you people. Appreciate it a lot. So, with that, until the next time we meet.